Hi guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of very common and very important questions like a max gap between two sum, which means we have the string and we have to found the two same character, and in between we have to found the which one, that means in between we just have to found the how much characters, and that's our answer. I suggest you I just explain the question, then I will come on the examples. Given a string s consisting of lowercase English letter, find the maximum number of characters between any two identical characters. If no characters repeat, return -1. सिंपल वन. अगर मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो रिटर्न -1 कर दो, मिल गया तो जितना मिला उसको कर दो, नहीं मिला तो -1 कर दो. नाउ कम ऑन द एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल इज वेरी इनपुट इज इक्वल टू सॉक्स. सॉक्स मेरे पास एस, वी हैव टू गेट द टू टाइम्स ऑफ एस. वेयर that is index 1 and that is the index n-1, which means we have the 2s, but the index of these is the first and the last one. So first and last we not need to count, we just count in between. So what is the in between? How much? 1, 2 and 3. We just have 3 characters, so the answer is 3. Simple one. There is any other? No, there is no any other. So that's our simple and correct answer. Now come on the code. What is the code, and that means how can we understand the code, like what we can write here, and that is a very simple one. I explain you the simple one is starting from here, start a loop, and then in the loop we just have to check, and before checking I just can do one thing, convert string to character integer, and then have to found. If found is -1, then there is no chance. If not found -1, which means we have the character which is stored at the same first and the last one, and then we just have to return the max, how much in between these. Write the code, then you explain very well, like starting from the vector int, correct, and then first and 26 -1, simple one. Now int answer is equal to -1. Now for int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to s dot length, right, and I plus plus, simple. Now int ch character of s of I minus a. Got it? Simple one. We just convert in the integer. Now if first, right, first of character is equal to -1, which means we didn't get anything here, right? So first of ch is equal to 1, simple, and then else, and in the else is equal to max of answer and I minus first character -1, simple, and nothing more, and just return answer. Now try to compile it. It is compiled or not? Show any error? I think there is so there is an error. The error is output is 3, but we need that means the output is 2, but we need 3. What is the problem? We can analyze the problem. Like, there is any problem? No. There is any problem? I think also there is no. And there is problem any? No. Also there is no any problem. I think this is the problem. I just have to start from the I, not from the 1. Now yes, try to submit it. So I think it will submit it. Yes, so it will submit. So in that, if you see, the space is order of 1, because we just have to find the 21, not infinite and not any other things. So 26, which means that is constant, and the time is, yes, it will take order of n. Why? Because it will go from the start to end. So space is order of 1 and time is order of n. So this is our solution. So I hope you will get understand. So thank you so much guys.